Okay, our goal is to go in here and edit this Project Zero page, clean it up. So I'm going to click on Edit, and let's see. First, we're going to delete the week 0 because that doesn't exist for this Project Zero. Week 1 narrative we're going to do. Second task we're going to figure out. Week 2 narrative, we're going to do that. And then that's going to be it. We're not going to have a third task. So let's just delete everything after the week 2 narrative. All right. And save. There it is. So we just have week 1 narrative, second task, and week 2 narrative. Now what I'd like to do is, let's say I worked on a FinRay over the weekend. I built a FinRay out of pasta, string, and some kind of glue, wood glue. Here is the associated CDIO page. Okay, so that's just a description of what I did over the weekend. I mean, let's say I did that. Imagine I did that. Now what I want to do is I want to create a link right here to another subpage of Project Zero. That's going to end up being something that's going to contribute to an overall document for this class associated with FinRays. So I'm going to press bracket bracket and then slash and then CDIO. You can name it anything you want, but I'm going to name it CDIO. And now it's red, and you can see that the italics went away. Italics is created by the two asterisks, or not asterisks, whatever they are, single quote, single quote, two mouse key, two pushes on the mouse, two pushes on the keyboard. Yeah. You don't have to press save. You could have just left it set there. Okay, and now this is red. We need to fill it up. So now again we got to go get something. So now let's see. Built a FinRay out of pasta string and wood glue. So this is on the verge of the atoms telling me what to do. I didn't really draw anything, but it is a sort of a design. So it could be the D part of CDIO. It's not conceived because the FinRay shape itself was already conceived. It could be implement because it's already been conceived and designed, and we're just implementing it out of pasta. That sounds better. Implement. We're not operating it. We're not creating a movie showing how to operate something somebody already built. So let's go with the I. Okay, so I'm going to go here, click on Wikiversity, click on Engineering Projects, go to the student pages, and let's look at the CDIO stuff. CDIO. Okay, there's the 4 pages. Here's the implement page. Alright, so let's just copy all this stuff, and then we'll go through and delete what we're not interested in. So I'm pressing Shift and then holding the down arrow till I get to the bottom, pressing Control C, and then going back over here, clicking on my red. This is what this is a sub page now I'm going to fill up with that document I just put into the clipboard. Control V and save. Alright, now let's look at this. Problem statement. Okay, I want to write a problem statement. What is the problem I'm trying to solve? I'm trying to create a FinRay out of items laying around the house. Designing the implementation process. We're not really talking about performance and cost, implementation system design goal. That's going to be same as a problem statement, so there's nothing new there. Workflow. This could be if you documented how you found the stuff, how you assembled it. That could be good. So let's save the workflow. All right, let's go through and capture what we've talked about so far. All right, so we're going to go through here and let's save workflow. Considerations for operators. We're not worried about people losing parts of their fingers. There's no manufacturing or software. Let's get back out though. It's getting a little bit difficult to read. All right, so workflow, no manufacturing, no software hardware integration, testing, verification, validation, certification. Okay, so let's stop there. Let's delete that stuff above. All right, so we're going to go to hardware and scroll down. We're going to delete a whole bunch of stuff. Hardware, software integration, no. Validation, certification, yes. So I'm going to click delete. All right, now let's save where we're at and see where we're at. Okay. Test analysis procedures. Well, we're just going to wiggle it with our fingers. Verification of performance to system requirements. Validation to customer needs. Okay, we haven't really identified who the customer is. We haven't established system requirements. They weren't done up here at the C or the D stage. So we'll just skip that. But the test and analysis procedure, how are we going to compare these various fin rays that people are bringing in? I mean, what is the expectation? Well, they should move like the video, right? They should curve around an object. So we'll write that down right there. Implementation management. Organizational structure for implementing this. We're not training teams of people to build fin rays yet. We're not organizing ourselves to do that. Possible implementation process improvements. Well, that might be something we want to write about. Quality and safety. Yeah. Control of implementation costs, scheduling. So we'll skip, let's see, we'll save this first one, delete these three, delete the first three here. So it's the last three and the first three. All right. So let's see. These three we're going to delete. That was the first three. And then we're going to delete all these guys. So I'm holding the shift key down and pressing up. We're going to save the first one. Test, verification, validation, certification. So we're going to certify whether they work or not. Okay, I'm going down here, save page. Okay, in a poster, that's like a Photoshop of all the pictures you've taken. You sort of put them all into one. And next steps, yeah, you should be inspired and have some next steps in your notebook to write down what you want to do next. Okay, we're done.